Welcome to the Advisory Science channel.
What are thermal conductors and insulators? Ever wonder why some materials feel warmer than others? Well, it's all about thermal conductors and insulators. Engineers, the clever folks who design and make stuff we use every day, think really hard about which materials to use. It all depends on whether they need to conduct heat or resist it. So what exactly is heat or thermal conduction? It's simply the way that heat moves from a warm object to a cooler one when they're touching. Some materials are good conductors. Other materials are poor conductors. Metals, aluminium, steel, iron and copper are all great at letting heat zip right through them. That's why we use metal pans to cook food. Gold, silver and platinum are even better at conducting heat, but they cost a lot, so we don't use them for everyday things. Now let's talk about insulators. These are materials like wool or foam that have lots of tiny air spaces, which we call trapped pockets of air. Trapped air is a good insulator because it makes it harder for heat to pass through, slowing down the heat movement. This is why a woolly jumper helps you keep warm in winter. The wool has lots of air spaces that trap your body heat, stopping it from escaping into the cold outside air. Insulators help maintain temperatures. For example, when you put ice cream in an insulated container, the container traps the cold air around the ice cream, keeping it cold. This stops the warm air outside from melting your ice cream. Nature gives us some great examples of insulators too. Feathers, fur and hair trap air and insulate animals from the cold. And we've borrowed this idea for our duvets, winter coats and foam cups. They all have air spaces that trap heat too. Insulators aren't just for keeping warm though. Plastic handles on pots stop the heat from burning your hands. And the plastic coating on wires stops electricity and heat from escaping. Insulated houses save energy by keeping the heat inside. And you can improve your home's insulation with fiberglass, foam or double glazing. Even closing blinds, curtains and sealing gaps helps prevent heat loss. So now you know all about thermal conductors and insulators.
Thanks for watching. For more science resources, visit our website advisoryscience.com and check out the blog for even more educational content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest episodes.